Good morning to all of you. Today in this video we are going to see how to write an essay. This is the most important question occurs in writing skill. I know we all are familiar with essay. But today what is an essay and what are the major essay types? These we are going to see. An essay usually refers to a section of writing that has a particular focus on a single subject. The main purpose of this is to coax the readers by providing relevant evidence collected after comprehensive research. Essays may be formal or informal. The formal essays are academic in nature and further deal with serious topics, whereas the informal essays are somewhat personal. In order to succeed at school or at college, it is necessary for you to work on various types of essay writing. So, we are going to guide and assist you in the way an essay should actually be written. But before you begin the essay writing task, it is important for you to know the types of essays that has been asked. Classification and the types were complicated, because of which it is essential for you to know the types of essay writing. So, in other clip, we are going to see the types of essays. So let's see. So here descriptive, definition essays, narrative and argumentative and process essays are written over here. Descriptive is one of the essay types that has been designed with the major aim of describing the details related to the subject or given topic. This is describing, descriptive. So you may add certain relevant facts and description of the subject on which you have to write the essay. Second is definition essays. It is another major type of essay writing. By the name a definition, it is a short and further confers the complex concepts in deep. Such types of essays are mostly used to make discussion on abstract topics. Then third is narrative essays. This is the specially in the case where you need to tell a story, you need to ensure that this type of essay writing has a beginning which is then followed by a number of situations and lastly end up with a conclusion. That is called narrative. Then argumentative essays are also known as the opinion essays, considered to be the most common essay types. So you must know that at the start of this argumentative essay, there is a statement and the task assigned to you is to write your own thoughts and opinions on that particular statement or an argument given in the form of essay. Now last is process essays. This is one of the essay types that involves a complete guide to explore or describe how something is happening or has happened. It's very important to mention the steps of the process. It's include in science. So these types of essays requires sequence. Remember that writing the process essay in the chronological order is the best way to get through this task. So I hope you understand. In this video more types of essays are also we are going to see. So let's see that types of essay also. Now here in this other video clip, essay types are given over here. From that, new essay is comparative essay. Then all 7 types are given over here. You can stop this video and zoom that clip and see in detail what is written in this essay types.